How to stop background running services on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Next, we then scroll down. Then tap on Running Services. From this page, you'll view a list of all the running services. So tap on the service that you want to stop. So for example, Samsung Health, I'm not using it. I can tap on the stop button. So here we got the service manager, I can stop it as well. So we got one more service, so tap on stop as well. Okay, another one is a voice recorder. There is a voice note service running on the background. I can tap on the stop button as well to stop that. And that's it. So you can go down the list and turn off any running services on the background that you no longer want to use. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.